Exclusive, all new 2023 C8 Z06-Z07 package, mid engine Corvette. And Chevrolet gave me the keys. Let's go. Howdy folks, you on the Seek on the Speed 252 show. Scroll over to the right, click that subscribe button and join this awesome community.
Man, this is amazing. This color is super nice too.
It is.
Yeah.
Parents is in here with me. He's the one that got us in.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that looks really good.
Yes, it
I mean, the convertible is,
Yeah.
might not be in the picture.
does.
Man, got a carbon fiber roof. Look at the interior. Look at all this carbon fiber, you guys. Just like Devin Booker said, beautiful, beautiful. Look at the seats. You got the key right here. Oh my gosh, it's so tempting. It's so tempting. It's so tempting. It's so tempting. Wow, look at this interior. Like I said, you got the carbon fiber on the side mirrors as well. This is the Z07 package with the carbon fiber wheels. Look at those brake calipers. They are humongous, humongous. You can see the side skirts in carbon fiber as well. Look at that intake. 670 horsepower this car has. 670 horsepower. Now, nobody's talked about the price, but we're gonna make a video about that later on with some ideas and gases. So there's that wishbone that people are kind of concerned with, whether they like it or don't like it. I'm telling you right now, it has grown on me big time. I am sliding on the floor right now. You got this cut 2Rs, which are pretty much like slicks. Like slicks. Look at that. That carbon fiber wheel. OMG. It is ridiculous. You got the 345 25Z 21s. So you got 20s in the front, 21s in the back. My favorite part about the car thus far is this high wing in all carbon fiber. This is pretty sweet, for sure. Look at it, guys. This carbon fiber wing is freaking amazing. It definitely makes the rear looks way more aggressive. The tail lights are pretty much identical to the C8 Stingray. A lot of people were hoping that it was actually going to be clear tail lights, but in my personal opinion, I do appreciate that there are still the same as the C8 Stingray. Now this vent right here is also a lot wider compared to the C8 Stingray as well. The C8 Stingray is shaped like a little square. This is obviously shaped like a rectangle. And you go down here, you can see this is opening as well. It is really, really amazing. Look at those tires. Look at those tires. You can see the grip on those bad boys. Somebody's definitely been driving it for sure. Look, that's ridiculous. Then you go down to the rear diffuser. I feel like a little kid right now in the can is throwing on my knees. Look at these exhaust tips. The exhaust tips are great. Look underneath this car. Wow, this is incredible. You got the backup sensors right there, the backup camera right there. The C8 logo right there as well. If you look at the motor, performance, build, enter, this is sick. This is really sick. This is pretty much a supercar at this point. Close to, I would say, an exotic car is what I meant to say. Just trying to make sure I use my time wisely. Look at those diaplanes. This is incredible. These diaplanes are sick. That's sick. Once again, you see the carbon fiber on the side mirrors. That's a lot more carbon fiber inside. This is, look at that steering wheel. Look at that dash. Wow. This is unbelievable. Got the Z06 right there. C8 logo with the accelerate yellow seat belts. With the accelerate yellow on the outside in general. I really can't stop looking at these exhaust tips. It is freaking nuts. This spec is going to be really expensive. I can tell you that right now. This is going to be a really expensive spec. No one once again knows what the price is going to be like, but I can't stop drooling over this interior. Literally beautiful. Literally beautiful. This is incredible. Incredible. This is incredible. Man, this takes my breath away. I'm looking so forward to placing an order on one of these bad boys. And I'm looking forward to driving this car across the country. I'm gonna put a crap ton of miles on it. Gosh, this wing is so cool. Man, that wing is freaking amazing. Absolutely one of the best cars I've seen in my entire life. Hey, Mr. Harlan. The front rear looks way aggressive than the Stingray, obviously. Way wider. Now, is it possible to crank it up one more time? Is that a thing? Wait, me? Wait, you? Oh, do I want to do it? Wait, you serious right now? Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna wait until you come back.
You gonna hold both?
Well, you can get yourself doing that.
That's true. Oh. Well, you should probably get the audio though.
Oh, I will, trust me.
Wow. This is insane. Guys later. Wow, this is insane. This is insane. This is awesome.
You want to start it one more time?
Start it one more time.